Hello guys, I'm Hasan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about fillet and chamfer command in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, you get your fillet tool from the Home tab and from the Modify panel. And in this tool, we round or fillets the edges of two 2D objects or the adjacent faces of 3D model. And now how we define the fillet. Fillet is an arc that is created tangent between two 2D objects like this. This arc is tangent on two 2D objects. This is called the fillet. A round or fillet can be created between two objects of the same or different objects like line, polyline, rays, X-line, circle, arc and ellipse. Now we start the examples. So this is the first example. If I want to fillet these 2 points, click on fillet, and in the command line it prompts you select first object or give the radius. Here it is showing 0 radius. Now we give the radius, and for radius press R, enter, and give the radius 0.25 and press enter. Now select both lines. So in this way, this arc is tangent on these two lines. So in this way we make a fillet, and this arc is tangent on two 2D objects. This is the first one and this is the second, and in this way we make our fillet. Now in this example, type F and press enter. Click on this side of the line and click on arc. So this shape will happen with the fillet, and if I make fillet on this part, type F and enter, click on these both lines, and you are seeing here no valid fillet with radius 0.25. so note that point. If the line tangent too short to adjust the fillet, then fillet radius not apply. So we reduce the radius of fillet, and for that go to radius and make it 0.10, and now click the arc. In the fillet tool, the clicking option is very important, which describe that where from you want to fillet. Now in the third point, if we go to fillet again and click on this side of the arc and click here, so in this way this make this kind of object. And now if I go to fillet again and click on this arc and click on the end of this line, now this kind of shape will make. In this example, you see the clicking point is very important, as I tell you earlier. So keep in mind that point, that where you are clicking for the fillet. Now we go to circle. In the circle, type F and enter, and select these two circles from these 2 points. In this way you can make this arc which is tangent on these 2 circles with the radius of 1 unit, 0.1 unit. Now if I click on this point and on this point, now this make the fillet which is tangent on this circle and about this circle. And now in this part, if I fillet this, it is showing no fillet with radius 0.10. So we should reduce the radius. if I reduce the radius about 0.08 and press enter and click on the both circles, so now it's filled both the circles with the 0.08 units. Now we see the polyline example, and for that type F and press enter, and in the command line it prompt you the polyline. Click on polyline and give the radius. If I give the radius 0.25 and press enter, and if I click on polyline, it convert this polyline up to 0.25 units. So in this way we make our fillets on polyline. This example of fillet is related to layers, and in this, if you select objects are on the same layers, then arc defined on that layer, otherwise the arc is created on the current layer, and this layer affect the object properties, its color, line type. So now we see the example. These two lines are on different layer. If I make fillet, click on this and click on this. Now you see this line or this arc is converted on the current layer. Now we see this example again. If I select third layer and now fillet these two lines, click on this line and click on this line. So in this way we make our fillets. And now if these two lines are on the same layer, and now if fillet, this make a single unit layer. Now in this example the current layer is 1 and we fillet this. Select both the lines and you see this fillet which is tangent to this line, and this line is pick a current layer. So in this way you can use your fillet tool. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, see you soon in the next video.